Good morning students, welcome to today's session. In the last class, so far we have seen what is probability and what is the formula for the probability and what are the properties on probability, and we have seen so many different problems under probability. So today we are going to enter into the new lesson. So the topic of the lesson is coordinate geometry. So that is our 7th chapter. So here in coordinate geometry already you know the basic things, everything. That is coordinate geometry is related to on the coordinate plane, or we can call as Cartesian plane also. So in the coordinate plane it is a combination of x-axis and y-axis, and the points can be represented by means of the distance of x-axis and also y-axis from the point, right? So everything comes under coordinate geometry. But here we are going to see some new topics on coordinate geometry, right? So they are distance formula, section formula, and area of the triangle, right? So these are the three main sections of your chapter, right? So it contains only three sections, right? So the problems related to distance formula, right? That is the first one. So distance means what? The distance is nothing but in the coordinate plane you can find out the distance between 2 points. Okay, so how can you find out the distance between the 2 points, right? So that formula is available to find out the distance between any 2 points in the coordinate plane, right? So let us go to see one by one, right? So the first one, distance formula, right? So here let p of x comma x1 comma y1 and x2 y2 be any 2 points in the coordinate plane. The distance between the 2 points p and q defined by the following formula, right? So in the x-axis and y-axis, suppose if you take any one coordinate point in the xy plane and if you take another point also on the same plane, so how can you find out the distance between the 2 points, right? So the formula is available. So look at the formula. So PQ equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So that is the formula for finding the distance between any 2 points in the coordinate plane. Okay, suppose the points are, you can take A and B, means AB equal to root of, so like that. Okay, so that is the formula for finding the distance between any 2 points in the coordinate plane, right? So look at one example. So find the distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1. So here in coordinate geometry, that coordinate plane can be divided into 4 quadrants, already you know that. So the first quadrant is nothing but both are positive values, right? So this 2, 3 and 4, 1 also lies in the coordinate, that is in the first quadrant only. So they are asking to find out the distance between these 2 points. So how can we find out? So through the formula only, okay? So look at the formula. What is the formula? So let us take the given points as A and B, okay? So A of 2, 3 and B of 4, 1. So the distance defined by the formula, already we know that, so AB equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, okay? So here x1, y1 is there. So this point, the first point you can take always as x1, y1. And the second point we can take as x2, y2. Okay. So here x1, y1, what is x1? So x1 is nothing but 2 and x2 is 4. Similarly, y1 equal to 3 and y2 equal to 1. Right. So next we are going to substitute directly in the formula. Okay. So 2 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. Okay. The next stage, simplify this. So square root of 2 minus 3 minus 1. So whole square plus 4 minus 1. 3. So 3 square. So in the next stage, so root of minus 1 whole square, so plus 1 plus 3 square, 9. If you add means we'll get root of 10. So root of 10 units. Because we are finding the distance only, the distance may be meter or centimeter or millimeter, whatever it is. Okay. So we can represent the final answer with generally as units. Okay. So root of 10 units. So 10 is non-square number only, so that it is not possible to find out the square root directly here. So that leave that as it is. So root of 10 units. Okay, it approximately 3 point something will come. Okay, suppose in our final answer result, inside the square root, square number is there means just take the square root and write it. Okay, otherwise can leave as it is, right? That is a procedure to find out the distance between any 2 points in the coordinate plane by using the distance formula. So this is known as distance formula. So we can write the formula as x2 minus x1 whole square also, no problem. So this one here and then this one here, and similarly this will be here and this will be here. So you can write at any format. Okay, so either x1 minus x2 whole square or x2 minus x1 whole square also, right? Look at the next example. Find the values of y for which the distance between the 2 points is 10 units. So what is the difference between this one and the previous one? In the previous one, 2 points given there, that is x1, y1, x2, y2. So all are given there, and they asked to find out the distance between the 2 points, right? But here also the 2 points given, but in second point the y value, that is this one is nothing but y2, is unknown value. So they are asking to find out this value only by given the distance value. Okay, so however we are going through distance formula only. Okay, so just let us enter into the solution video now.
Look at the solution here. So in the last example, we found the distance between the given 2 points by using distance formula directly. But here, distance given here, that is distance as 10 units given here, with the respective point is a of 2 comma minus 3 and b of 10 comma y. Right? So we are going to find out the unknown value in the point. So the unknown value is y here. We are going to find out that one only. So first write the distance equal to 10 given here. So instead of distance, you can write the distance formula, that is root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square equal to this 10. What is x1? So x1 equal to 2 and x2 equal to 10 and y1 equal to minus 3, y2 equal to y. Right? So substitute in the value directly in the given formula directly. So which implies root of, so instead of x1 2 minus x2 10 whole square plus again instead of y1 minus 3 and this minus instead of y2 y whole square equal to 10. Right? So here within the square root, right, within the square numbers are there, and also this is an equation, okay, because equal symbol is there. So left hand side square root value, right hand side non-square root value. Therefore we are going to cancel the square root in left hand side. How can we cancel the square root? By taking square on both sides, right? So take square on both sides. Okay. So when we apply the square on both sides, the square will cancel each other. Okay. So 2 minus 10 whole square plus minus 3 minus 5 whole square equal to, so right hand side 10 square. Okay. The square cancelled now. Right. Now simplify this. So 2 minus 10 is nothing but minus 8 whole square plus, so here also minus is there. Okay. So take minus as a common one, then remaining 3 plus y and this whole square. So equal to 10 square is nothing but 100. Right. So minus 8 whole square is nothing but 64 plus, and if you, the square is common to negative sign and also these two terms. Okay. So when we square negative term, it will become positive. So remaining 3 plus y whole square equal to 100. Right. So just transpose this 64 right hand side. So 3 plus y whole square equal to 100 minus 64. So equal to 36. So 3 plus y whole square equal to 36. Okay, now, so 3 plus y whole square equal to 36. So 3 plus y whole square equal to 36. How can we expand left hand side? By using a plus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square formula? So a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what will come here? 3 square plus 2, 3 into y plus y square equal to 36. Right? So 3 square 9, multiply these two, so 6 into y, 6y plus y square equal to 36, right? So bring that y that side. So y square plus 6y equal to 36 minus 9. So y square plus 6y equal to, how can you subtract here? So 27. So 27 minus 27 plus 9 equal to 26. So y square plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. Now we are going to find out y only. Now we got a quadratic equation with respect to the variable y. Now we are going to solve the quadratic equation. That means we are going to factorize it. How can you factorize a quadratic equation? By using I method. That is a simple way to factorize a quadratic equation. So when we multiply, we need minus 27. When we add, we need plus 6. So what are the possible factors? What about 9 3? So 9 3s are 27. So but here minus is there, so we can put in front of 3, right? So because the down is positive number, right? So the down sign is nothing but it is in front of the maximum value only, right? So here plus 6 given here, therefore plus in front of 9 only, always. That is the maximum, in front of the maximum number. Okay. So when you multiply minus 27, when we add 6. So y plus 9 into y minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore y plus 9 equal to 0 and y minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore y equal to minus 9 and y equal to plus 3. So these are the values of y. So now here y taking two values here. So these two are the solutions of the given y value.
Look at the next example. Do the points 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3 and 2, 3 form a triangle? If so, name the type of a triangle formed. So that is a question asked here. So here also we are going to find out the distance only between 2 points, because so here they are given what type of triangle they are formed. Okay, so in triangle 3 types of triangle there, right? So equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, and what is it, right angle, right? So everything based upon the length of the sides. Okay, so here we are going to find out the distance between the pair of points, that is this distance between the first 2 points and the last 2 points and then first and last. Okay, so let us continue the solution video in the next slide. Okay, so let us continue from the next video.